This is the POV shot. Chill out. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on.
I think it's too heavy.
Yeah.
It's getting small.
Drop the weight. Ooh. There you go. There you go. Good. Yep. Go, 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 go. Look at that core, look at that core. Come on. Come on, go. You got it, you got it, you got it, you got it. Man, you're gonna love this shot. You're gonna love that. Chill out, just lock in. Dead, nah. Get that fucking stretch. Let's go. Good squeeze, good squeeze. Come on, Maddie. Yup. Yup. Come on. Work. Partial. Come on. Die it out. There you go. Yup. Hey, you're gonna thank me for this angle again. You're gonna thank me for that angle for sure. Hey.
Hello?
Only good for saving face, cosmetics. Biometric, nigga ran up by the lunch, and that's up the highest metric. The city just made it sweet, you could diabetic. They nothing with the etiquette. Somebody gotta do it, come on, turn the TV off. Turn the TV off, turn the TV off. Turn the TV off, turn the TV off.
Yep, come on, head forward, head forward. Yes. Good, come on. Yep. You got it, yeah. Shawty got a back divot that all y'all ladies wish you had.
Dude, I've been...
Pussy.
Hi, girlies.
Girlies, this is the POV shot. Chill out.
Girlies! Alright.
Let's go.
So unserious.
Come on. Let's go. You got it. Bro, oh my god. Lil Diva. Yes, there you go. Oh, this is a great ass song. Come on, lock in. What the fuck? Yup. Can't say me. I'm so hard on landing. You get drunk and steady. Damn, Maddie. Come on, there you go. Come on. Get it. Come on. Yup.
Turned me to a killer, had to change the bottle. Had a Tiffany come through her pussy, clear pink. In Chicago, and the one to the mix. Selling out of rain, I just know the streets. She was popping the brain, council, and the Middle East.
Yeah, Maddie, come on. Yep. There you go. Come on, fight for it. All you. Yeah, there you go. Tell your shit.
I need a fan. I need to be in Bali.
Oh my gosh. The shot that I'm getting right now, this literally looks like you're fucking backstage on like the Tonight Show.
Can you fan me now?
Huh?
Can you fan me now?
Fanny?